I'll show you how to use the groundbreaking new free AI video generator called Hotshot. This Hotshot AI tool lets you generate videos with stunning visual appeal and professional quality in just minutes. I'll walk you through using the Hotshot AI free version, show a trick to bypass the daily limit, and compare it to other AI video generators like Luma AI and Kling AI. Hotshot AI is a user-friendly AI video generator that makes it simple to generate videos across various themes like food, animals, and the workplace, for example. The Hotshot AI free version allows you to create 2 videos a day, making it an excellent choice for quick projects or experimentation. But if you need more, I've got a workaround to extend your video creation capabilities beyond the daily limit. Now, let's check out some of the example videos on the Hotshot website. These examples are fantastic and highlight the visual appeal and diversity of the themes available. Just browsing through some of these examples and you can see some really detailed imagery, some fantastic facial expressions. It produces really amazing lighting effects, particularly the one in the library with the light coming through the windows. We have great details in some of these nature shots. Here's how to create your first Hotshot AI video. Start by clicking Make Your Own. Then just log in with the Google account. You're then taken to this creation screen. So let's try a beautiful woman jogging through a city park with the sun rising. And you can see we start with a loading bar here, so while we wait for that to generate, I often screen record software tutorials just like this, and that's why I've been using Wondershare Democreator. Version 8 has just dropped, packed with amazing new features where the power of AI has transformed my recording and editing experience. Democreator is your all-in-one solution for screen recording and video editing. Capture, edit, and share your content effortlessly, all within one powerful platform. Experience seamless screen recording with AI technology. Democreator's AI teleprompter scrolls and highlights your script for smooth delivery, while the AI background remover erases distractions, keeping your webcam videos crisp and clean. Unleash the power of AI video editing. Democreator's AI video object remover automatically erases distracting elements from your background. Generate captions in over 90 languages with a single click using auto subtitles. Change your video background instantly with AI portrait and enhance your appearance effortlessly with the AI beauty filter. Enhance your audio with AI. Democreator's AI denoise makes your speech crisp by removing background noise. Transform your voice with the AI voice changer, which offers dozens of character options from real life and fictitious voices. You can also generate professional voiceovers effortlessly with AI text-to-speech. Transform your videos with AI. Download Wondershare Democreator with my special promo link. Record like a pro, edit with AI ease. And you can see the background, the flickering effect, looks like it's making the AI video generation right in front of our eyes. It started off very fuzzy, but it's getting gradually more and more detailed. It's just coming into effect, so this is a really nice way to help wait out the time. Okay, that's finished, and yep, we've got this lady running through the park with the city in the background with the sunrise. She's running kind of okay. Her arms are moving a little bit weird, but I think with a few extra generations, we can get this right. So that's not a bad result. And from here, we can just click regenerate if we want to use another credit, or just click download. But let's go ahead and do another generation. This time, let's do a playful puppy running through a grassy field and send that off. And I'll skip through the loading this time. Okay, here's the result. We have a pretty convincing looking puppy running through the field. We lose the front paws there a little bit, but overall, it's a pretty realistic looking video. Again, I'd probably want to do another generation of that to get it right. Now, if you find yourself needing more than just 2 videos a day, Hotshot AI Video Generator offers subscription plans starting at a whopping $99 per month. That's a bit rich, huh? And this unlocks unlimited daily usage, but strangely limits you to just $200 per month. How is this premium? But you do get access to additional features, making it easier to produce consistent, high quality AI videos. Hopefully some more reasonably priced subscription options become available later on. But if you want to stick with the Hotshot AI free version but need more than just a daily limit, here's a pro tip. By using different Google accounts and email addresses, you can bypass the daily limit and keep generating Hotshot AI videos without any additional cost. So you may already have a few extra Google email addresses, but if not, it's really quick and easy to set up a few more. This trick then lets you continue enjoying the benefits of Hotshot without committing to a subscription plan. To see how Hotshot measures up, I tested similar prompts on Luma AI and Kling AI, 2 other popular AI video generators. Luma was quicker but lacked some of the refinement, while Kling AI offered more customization but required a bit more manual effort. So in just a few steps, Hotshot AI makes it easy to generate videos with incredible visual appeal and accuracy using the free AI video generator. If you're looking for more features, tools like Luma AI and Kling AI are worth exploring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below for more AI tool tips, and I'll see you in the next video.